everyone, this is the 6th day of my 30 days UI design challenge where I'm learning how to use Figma. If you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Nikki, I'm a product manager and a startup founder. And in this episode, we are going to be looking at creating a user profile. Now, because everyone is so obsessed about the new Netflix series Wednesday, I decided that I'm going to be creating a user profile for Wednesday as if it would be a school app or something like that. Let's get into it. I'm going to speed up this video. You can check the result in the end. Okay, time's up. I needed to tone it down a little bit on the stripes because it was a little bit too jarring, but now the final version, it's pretty dark like Wednesday. I think it looks pretty cool. I chosen a new font that I never used before and I think it goes well with the whole Adam's Family style. Let me know in the comments what do you think, and if you don't want to miss on the next episode, which is day 7 of a 30 days UI challenge, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm also going to be posting videos about product, startup growth and so on, so if you're into these things, definitely subscribe. See you in the next one!